Assalamu alaikum dear engineers and site supervisors. Let me show you a foundation drawing. So I have this foundation drawing. This is a drawing of a warehouse. Let me show you as little bit details of this drawing. So here we have this kind of foundations. Now the signs which are used for F3, it means that it is foundation number 3. When there comes a sign of F4, it means that it is foundation number 4, and we should have to check details for the footing number 4, or we have to consult with the footing number 4. So in this drawing we have different kinds of footings. This is F1. You can check out this one, this one, this one, this one. So we have in this line 4 F1 footings. Here this is F2 footing, this is F2A footing. Then this line comes with F3 footings, you can check out here. Then F4 somewhere like this, we can check each and every point. Then we have F5 footings like here. This line overall is F5 footings, and some F6 footings. These are this. So first you should have to check out whether the footing, which footing is coming. It is F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6 or F2A. First you should have to consult it, and it comes in which grades. So these are the different kinds of grades. It's 17 number grade, 16. If we start from here, so it starts from 6 and it ends with 17 number grade. Here we have a simple line also that don't has footings. So these lines x1, x3, x, just like this. So these are the different also grids. These are the different grids with different kinds of footings. First you should have to know about the footing, that which footing is coming. Now to see its details, we have a table. Here you can consult the table. So if we are checking for F1, so for F1 we should have the elevation of base of foundation. Its elevation will be checked by surveyor that it is 624.6 or not. So all these footings have the same elevation. It is FA, F1, F2, F2A, F3, F4, F5, F6. So these are the footing names. Now if check out its dimensions, so its dimensions in x and y direction, first will show the x direction and second will show the y direction. So it is 2400 by 2400. These are in mm. These are the different kinds of dimensions. Here it is different. F4 is different, 2700 by 2700. It is F5 is 2600 by 2600, and F6 is 3000 by 3000. These are the outer dimensions. These are the concrete dimensions. Now to check out for the reinforcement, so we have bottom reinforcement and top reinforcement tables. And in bottom reinforcement we have x direction reinforcement in this line, and in y direction reinforcement in this line. For top reinforcement, x direction reinforcement is in this line, and for bottom reinforcement we have the reinforcement of y direction in this line, top reinforcement. So if we check out of bottom reinforcement, so for the first one it is T12. It means that it is 12 mm die up bar and its spacing is 125 mm. For y direction it is same, T12 it rate up 125, 12 mm bar and having a spacing of 125. Similarly the other T12 with 125, and the next one also with T12 at 125 mm. For the top reinforcement it is T10. It means that it is 10 mm dia and it has a spacing of 200 mm. And for the y direction it is 10 mm die and it is 200 mm center to center. For the bottom, for the F3 it is T16. It means that it is comes with a 16 mm dia and it is 200 mm spacing. Similarly it has y reinforcement in bottom is T16 and it has 200 mm center to center distance. For the top reinforcement it is T10 and it is also T10, its spacing of 200 mm center to center. And here they have written that in this drawing, in this kind of format, we have how many of footing number 1, footing number 2, footing number 3, similarly until up to F6. So here we have F1 quantity is 8, F2 in this drawing is 2, and F2A are 2. Similarly 10, 20, 10 and 20 are alternatively 3, 4, 5 and 6 footings numbers. So it means that this much of numbers of footings comes in this drawing for F1, F2, F3, F4, F5 and 6. So this is a complete detailed video of footing drawings, how to read footing drawings, how to know about the dimensions of the footings, and how to know about the steel reinforcement of the footing. So hopefully this video will be clear to you. If you have any questions and queries regarding footing drawings, so you can share with me, you can ask from me in the comment section. And please, if this video is informative for you, please do like our videos. I'll make next videos for next reinforcement detailings. Thank you.